Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Indigo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the flight status button down below, which is the fourth option. Then you can select your flight by P on R, flight number or the route. So tap on the relevant one. If you select the P and R option, you should type in the P and R, click on the search button, and then you will be able to search for a flight. Or you can also type in the flight number and then click on the search button after selecting the date, and you will be able to check out the relevant flight information. You can also search by the route, adding the departure and destination point. If you tap on this third button down below, click on the search button, and then you will be able to check out the scheduled flights. Here, tap on the relevant one. You can see the scheduled departure, actual departure, and arrival. You can see the status, which in this case is arrived. And you can show it on a map and check out the other scheduled flights too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.